when I spoke, I think, to Bill earlier, we were talking about the longevity of red blood cells. This person here has red blood cells which they're predisposed to go off and be sequestered out of the bloodstream by the spleen. So they go early. So she's mentioning her unreliable HbA1c. So we've had, both ends of the spectrum here. So the red blood cells are being cleaned up because they are not spherical, or, they're less spherical compared to normal ones, allegedly less flexible, more prone to destruction. That's basically what it is. Right. So if you have type 2 diabetes and hypertension, is there anything you can do to make sure that your red blood cells last longer? Yes, Carnivore is exactly it. So before we got to your question, or even typed your question, I actually spoke to Bill and said your red blood cells probably lasting longer because of Carnivore. So the first thing is, going Carnivore will probably help this condition. Probably. I can't guarantee it, all right? But your hypertension and type 2 diabetes will also be helped, because type 2 diabetes, by definition, is chronically elevated blood glucose. I also think it's underestimated how bad the excursions are. That is the spikes and the troughs. Well, this way of eating gets rid of the spikes and the troughs. It becomes much more normal, with small excursions up and down. That's all it is. And you've got much less carbohydrate coming in, so your chronically elevated blood glucose will not happen. And that will also bring down your hypertension, because insulin is the biggest cause of hypertension, because it acts on something like, I don't know, maybe 4 points of the nephron.
Is it really? Yeah.
Yeah. To retain water and salt. So when you've got less insulin, you get lower blood pressure. So this way of eating is about the best thing you can do.